Welcome to Simple Coding. Today in this tutorial we will make a testimonial carousel with Bootstrap 5.3 version. Now Bootstrap 5.3 version is available. Here in this tutorial we customize a carousel with next button and carousel indicator also. Here is my HTML boilerplate. Now we link the Bootstrap 5.3 version CDN link, CSS CDN link. Now I copy the script tag and paste it in the within the body tag. Though I use the Bootstrap icon, so I link the Bootstrap icon link also. Now link our own style sheet. Now let's start to coding. First of all, we take a section class container, section class testimonial. Within the section there is a div class row. Within the row there is a call, div class call 12. Here I use div flex, align item center, justify content center, flex column. These all are Bootstrap class. H2 tag class section heading. Now start to style. First of all, we design the testimonial with 100%, height 100 VH, background color #121212, margin top, position relative margin top 40 pixel, padding bottom 100 pixel, font family Oswald sans serif. Now design the section heading. Section heading font size 35 pixel, font weight bold, margin top 40 pixel, text transform capitalize, color #DEE2E6. Now open our live server. It looks like this. After the row, we take a div class container. Within the container, I paste all the codes, carousel codes from Bootstrap docs. Now paste it. Cut down all codes from the carousel item and add our own code. First of all, we take a div class carousel img. Here I put a img tag. After this div, there we take another div class carousel caption. Within the carousel caption, h5 tag and a p tag. Now copy all the codes and paste it 2 times. Change the image path and change the h5 name. Now design the carousel item. Mean height 500 pixel. Position relative. Then design the carousel IMG. Carousel IMG, position absolute, width 100 pixel, height 100 pixel, border radius 50%. Left 50%, top 30%. Transform translate -50%, -50%. Border 2 pixel, solid, hash DWE 2E6. Carousel IMG tag. Width 100%, height 100%, border radius 50%. Now let's start the design. Carousel caption. Carousel caption, position absolute, right 15%, left 15%, bottom 50 pixel, padding 50 pixel, top bottom and 0, left right. Color DWE 2E6. Now the browser shows the looks. We take a class into S5 tag testimonial name. Now design the testimonial name. Testimonial name. Font size 25 pixel. For font weight 400. Text transform capitalize. Now we put a icon, bootstrap icon from quote between the P tag, and add a class in the I tag, testimonial icon. Now copy the icon and paste it within the carousel item. Now design the testimonial icon. Font size 40 pixel, color hash DWE 2E6, margin top -5 pixel, margin right 5 pixel. Now it looks like this, but we customize the next print button also. So copy the class name and change the background image. Carousel control next icon. Copy the class name and change the background image. Now the design is completed. Here is the final output of the design. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.